Hello, I'm Councilmember Mike Diaz, and I'm glad you're tuning in to this video concerning the coronavirus. The City of Chula Vista is closely monitoring the impacts of COVID-19 on our community, including the impacts to businesses and employees as yourself. To keep updated on the COVID-19 outbreak, go to the Chula Vista website at chulavistaca.gov/residents/coronavirus, and I'll post it right up here for you. Today, I want to talk to all of the workers that have been affected by the COVID-19. If you are losing income due to the coronavirus, this video is for you. There are many resources available that can aid in providing economic assistance to workers that have lost or reduced hours or wages. In this video, I will be providing 6 different resources that you might qualify for. Before I begin, I want to remind you about your civic responsibility. The state of California has demanded that people stay at home and not go out where people are gathering. It seems that people are not listening to the public health experts. Just because you are young does not mean that you cannot get the virus. In fact, 18 to 49% of the coronavirus cases are in young adults. Yes, the mortality rate is low in young people, but you could be placing your mother, father, grandparents at risk of death if you pass it on to them. Please remember, we all have a very important role to play in protecting ourselves, our families, and our community. You can help slow the spread of the coronavirus by taking these simple steps. Wash your hands frequently and wash them for at least 20 seconds. Use social distancing and keep a 6-foot distance between people. Cover your mouth when you sneeze, and if you are sick, stay home. Additionally, if you are older than 65, the CDC recommends that you stay home if possible, that you wash your hands frequently, you avoid close contact with others, clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces, and call your healthcare professional before going to the hospital. Please be assured that the City of Chula Vista is doing everything it can to protect the community from the coronavirus. We are working with every level of government to slow this virus down. Okay, if you have experienced one of the following at your work, you may qualify for benefits from the state. And this is the list. Your work hours have been reduced, you have been sick or quarantined, or you have a workers' compensation claim, or you are providing care for somebody, or you are affected by a school closure, or you are self-employed. Okay, let's begin with the actual benefits. If your employer has reduced your hours or shut down operations due to the COVID-19, you can file an unemployment insurance claim. The unemployment insurance can provide you with a partial wage replacement benefit payments if you have lost your job or have your hours reduced when it wasn't your fault. If you become temporarily unemployed due to the COVID-19 and you are supposed to return to work with your employer within a few weeks, and you are not required then to actively seek work under the unemployment program. However, you must remain able and available and ready to work during your unemployment for each week of benefits claimed and meet all the other eligibility criteria. Eligible individuals can receive benefits that range from $40 to $450 per week. The governor's executive order has also waived the 1-week unpaid waiting period, so you can start collecting unemployment insurance benefits for the first week you are out of work, and that's pretty great or pretty good. If you are eligible, the EDD processes and issues these payments within a few weeks of receiving your claim. Okay, this is for those of you that are sick or quarantined. If you are unable to work due to having been exposed to COVID-19 and you have been certified by a medical professional, you can file a disability insurance claim. Disability insurance will provide you with a short-term benefit payment if you are eligible due to a full or partial loss of wages due to a non-work-related illness, injury, or pregnancy. Benefit amounts are approximately 60 to 70% of the wages, depending on income, and can range from $50 to $1,300 a week. The governor's executive order waives, again, the 1 week unpaid waiting period, so you can collect the disability benefits for the first week that you are out of work. If you are eligible, the Employment Development Department processes and issues payments within the first weeks of receiving your claim. Okay, let's move on to workers' compensation. If you are unable to do your usual job because you were exposed to the or contracted the COVID-19 during the regular course of your work, you may be eligible for workers' compensation benefits. To learn more about your eligibility for workers' compensation benefits, click on the Learn More button below. For those of you providing care, if you are unable to work because you are caring for an ill or quarantined family member with COVID-19, which needs to be certified by a medical professional, you can file for a paid family leave claim. Paid family leave provides up to 6 weeks of benefit payments to eligible workers who have a full or partial loss of wages because they need time off to care for a seriously ill family member or to bond with a new child. Benefit amounts are approximately 60 to 70% of wages depending on income and can range from $50 to $1,300 a week. If you are eligible, the California Employment Development Department processes and issues the payments within a few weeks of receiving your claim. If your child's school is closed and you have to miss work to be there for them, you may be eligible for unemployment insurance benefits. Eligibility considerations include if you have no other care options and if you are unable to continue working your normal hours remotely from home. If you file an unemployment insurance claim, the California Employment Development Department representative will determine if you are eligible. For those of you self-employed, the benefits available to you are in the form of an insurance programs, and to be eligible, either you or an employer had to have made a contributions in the last 5 to 18 months. It is possible that these contributions were made at one of your prior jobs, or if you were misclassified as an independent contractor instead of an employee. I encourage you to apply for the benefit program that is most appropriate for your situation. Please visit the Self-Employed Independent Contractor page to learn more, and I'll put that link right up here for you. Remember, we all have a role to play in protecting ourselves and our families and our community. You can help slow the spread of the coronavirus by taking these simple steps. Wash your hands frequently. Use social distancing. If you are sick, stay home. Additionally, if you are 65 or older, stay home if possible. Wash your hands frequently. Avoid close contact with others. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. And call your healthcare professional before going to the hospital. Please be assured that the City of Chula Vista is doing everything it can to protect the community from the coronavirus. To get more updates, please like this page. There are many people out there that need this information, and you can help get this information out. Please share this page. Please do that right now. It will help to get this message out to those that really need it. The City of Chula Vista website is a great resource of information and can be found at chulavistaca.gov/residents/coronavirus, and I'll put that link up here for you right now. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Please like this page, share it with your friends. Let's be kind to each other and help each other through this tough and difficult time. Thank you, and God bless.